Good morning. Let's turn the page to the book of Psalms 118, verse 24. This is the day which the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Before the demands of the day rush in, this verse calls us to pause and remember a beautiful truth. Today is not an accident. It has been intentionally crafted by the Lord. He has given you this specific day as a gift, complete with new opportunities, new grace, and new reasons to trust Him. Rejoicing isn't always based on perfect circumstances. It is a choice to recognize God's hand at work and to be glad in the day He has made. Whether today feels like or light and easy to or heavy with responsibility, it is still the Lord's day. Because He made it, He will walk through it with you. So let this truth shift your perspective right now. You're not facing today alone. Absolutely not. Today, the same God today is the one who created this day, and He's present to help you live in whatever situation you're supposed to live in. So whatever this day holds, walk with me. Fill my heart with gratitude, my mind with peace, and my steps with purpose. Teach me to trust you, O Lord, in both the small moments and the big ones, Father. May my life bring glory to the Lord. In Jesus' name. May you be blessed, everyone, of today. Shalom.